everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be doing a review of the new HAPA KRISTIN Shopaholic Kristin in the color Midnight Grey. And guys, oh my god, that's what I'm gonna say so far. But let's talk about the graphic diameter first. The graphic diameter for this one is actually 13.0mm, which I think is like a perfect enlargement. However, with this one, even though it's only 13.0, it does feel a little bit enlarging for me, and the reason for that is because of the pattern. And with this pattern, I have to say it's like such a gorgeous pattern. It does remind me a little bit of some other HAPA KRISTIN contact lenses that I can't think on the top of my head, but I will put side by side comparisons. But one thing I've noticed that really differentiate this particular design, even though it looks similar, but this design really gives you this whole three-dimensional look, just like it says. And I think partly because of that is because it has this like white line specks on the inner part of the eyes. And the more I look at it, I'm just very impressed at how white it looks on my eyes. And it's not the most unnatural way, it's like the most natural way. Does that make sense? And the reason why I say that is because it really gives you this like flashback look. So when you take a photo of flash, you see a bit of that white. This is what you get on your eyes, but in the nicest way possible, because I feel like this white speck really just gives this photogenic finish on your eyes when you take photos. It's like so attractive in real life, but it's more attractive when you take photos. Perfect camera picture contact lens you will ever find, and that's how I see it. And what I like about this is that the enlargement on the outside is a beautiful dark brown as well, but also this gray is such a beautiful cool tone light gray with a little bit of like blue undertone, which I absolutely love. The way I see this is that it has three-tone color. You get the dark brown on the outside, which is like a combo of like gray, then on the inside you get like this gray blue undertone color, then on in between you get like this white, and this whole combo is great. I don't think I've ever seen a contact lens that has this white speck and pulls off so nicely without making it look so fake and natural. But I just feel like this is so beautiful, and the more I look at it, I'm so mesmerized by this because it's just so beautiful. Like there's something about this just makes this whole, I don't know, I love it so much. And what I really like is that you can get this both in one month and one day. I love my one day a lot, so I'm really happy that I have the one day one to actually wear this. I can't help but just keep staring at myself. I know I sound like I'm so up myself, but I feel like this is just so gorgeous. I love this contact lens so much. But yeah, I'm really happy to try this, and I really do recommend you guys to try this. I can't wait for them to release like a olive or like a brown, like a golden one with the white speck, just to see how they look like, because I would think it would just look so gorgeous. And I'm really happy that the first color that they feature is the gray one, because I think it's just amazing. So I definitely recommend you guys to try this out. Like I don't think I've ever highly raved a gray contact lens like this before, so definitely recommend for you guys to check this out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.